Hey, this is Shane, and I've entitled this video at Casey Neistat for a reason. I wanted to say thank you from a fellow creator, albeit small compared to what you've got, but we all start somewhere, so there's that anyhow. Thank you so much for bringing the vlog back. I look forward to seeing what it is, no matter what you do with it. I'm super excited about it, and I know that there are other people out there that are as well. I can't wait to see what you do with it. I mean, you always tell a story, there's a middle, an ending, a beginning, there's usually something going on, and it's always an enrichment to see that people like me and other people like me see where we should be striving to be, people that we should be collaborating with, or that we should be collaborating at all. And then there's the other question of how much is too much? How do we get some B-roll? How do we do this, that, and the other? It's just one of those amazing things to watch how your channel has grown from being just something you did on a daily basis, trying to show a company at first, but then flipping the camera, as you said, on yourself, and then making that interesting. So, thanks for everything you've done. We look forward to seeing what you're going to do next.